Hello everybody. We will talk today about Blazor client and how to deal with functions and properties inside. Okay, so this our example or our application is from Blazor template without any change. Okay, let's take a look about it. Current count. What is current count? Current count is this property which equal here 0. Okay, you must put at before it. This at you must put it so it will understand or it will take this value from here. Let's try. Is our current count. If we change it like this, it will repeat itself. We are in see 2 times now. What about click me? How it's working? Okay, when you click on click me, this button, there is one event. It's named on click. Okay, on click will increment count. What is increment count? Increment count is function. This one. So you can put it as this format without any braces, and also you can put it like this. This also working. Okay, same behavior. I want to remind you about Blazor. Blazor client side will compile all DLL and send it to the browser. Don't forget this. So every change you need to rebuild. Every change you need to stop and rebuild. Okay, because you changed the source code, then DLL already changed, so you need to rebuild to load the new DLL to the browser. It's very important. Okay, if we need here to make input tag at bind, what will happen if we do this? We will have input near from button. This is input. Okay, click me, change here and here. If we change this, nothing changed. But if we lost or not focused in input, what will happen? You click here, you see? Update here. Okay, but if I'm here, nothing updated. I'm here, nothing updated. If I lost the focus in the input, it's updating. Okay, so here when it bind, if I change here, it's already changed the current count. But to change the UI, you need to lose focus or focus in something in another component, not in input. Okay, so how we can fix this? We need real time. When we change the input, it's already changed the this value here. How we can do this? To do this, we need to on input at on input. Okay, equal. Let's try this code and see what happened. Same behavior, but when we change this, nothing changes, not change here. Okay, because it's dealing with string. So if we change this to string like this and make it it's zero string and change this to equal int dot parse current count, okay, plus one for increment, and then dot to string to make it string again. String, that's it. Okay, and cast here string also. Like this, it should work. Okay, see, if you change here, it's already changed up in UI. So what about if we need to make function without all of this? We don't need to put all code here in HTML. How we can make function? We can make function private, return void, okay, update input. We can put it, give it string value var, so current count equal var. That's it, okay. How we call it? We call it like this. Very easy. E dot value. Let's try this one. Yes, working. Okay. We can pass also the event in this function. How? We can make it argument, change event argument. Okay. Put here the E and then E dot value and cast this to string. Okay. So we here need to put the event directly like this. Let's try this code and see if the behavior is same or changed. Okay, same. Okay, same. Okay, perfect. We can make it more simple by this. We don't need it. And don't need this. Yes, that's all. Update input already. No, it will give you change event arguments because you using on input. So now it's very simple. You see working and update the UI directly when change. What about on click? Yes, on click also you can do the same. You can remove this and remove this. It will also work. Okay, same work. We need the list for all of these events. You can get it from Microsoft. This one. Okay, I will put this link in the YouTube description. You have clipboard, drag, input, on change, on input, all the list of all events. Okay, and already also I put it in the Word file. All of this you will find in the description, YouTube description. Okay, thanks for watching. See you.